Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rain Safira. I'm from class 6D, and in these videos I would like to share to you about how to make a media for teaching for young learner, and also about how to use the media in learning process. So in this video we'll be into two sections. The first section is about how to make the media, and then for the section is about how to use the media in learning process. So please stay tuned and happy watching. So this is the media that will be used to teaching for young learner. This is Finger Family. The material that will be teach by using this media is about introducing the member of family by using family fingers. So this is father, and this is as a mother, and this is as a brother, and this for a sister, and this is for a baby. So This is the reason why we must use a media for teaching for young learner, because as we know that children are young learner, they mostly like to playing a game or singing a song or something that funny activities. They do not like to study. So here we must make some media that will be make them interact in learning process. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today? I'm great, Alhamdulillah. I'm great too. Rizka, why do you look so funny today? You have a new pet? Wow, it must be so cute, right? So now, I have a new song for you. But before we start our song today, I would like to introduce to you about the family Fincher first. Do you want to sing a song with me? Oh, of course. Let me introduce for you about the family Fingers first. This is Daddy Fingers. Rizka, can you repeat after me? Daddy Fingers. Okay, good. And then for the next is Mother Finger. Rizky, what is it? Mother Finger. That's great. And for the next is Brother Finger. Repeat after me. Brother Finger. For the next is Sister Finger. Abu, what is it? Sister Finger. That's great. And for the last is Baby Finger. Repeat after me. Baby Fingers. That's great. So, because you have already know about the family Fingers, now let's we sing together. Please stand up together. Okay. Daddy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mother Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Okay, you are already good in singing that song. So now I have a media. Do you know about puppet? Yeah, today we will use a puppet, finger puppet. But before I show you about the finger puppet, I want you to close your eye because this media is surprise for you. Please, Angel, Rizka, and Abu, please close your eye. 1, 2, 3. Close your eye. Okay, now you can open your eye. Ta-da! This is Finger Puppet. Do you like this media? Yes, of course. This is so colorful, right? And then this is so cute. But Abu, do you remember what is it? Yeah, that's right. This is Father Finger. And Rizka, do you remember about what is it? That's good. This is Mother Finger. And how about you, Abu? What is it? Yeah, that's great. This is Brother Finger. And how about this? Yeah, this is Sister Finger. And the last is, yeah, Baby Finger. Yeah, that's great. You already know about the father finger, mother finger, brother finger, sister finger, and also baby fingers. So now let's be singing this song twice. Father finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? So please, Abu, please singing this song. Brother finger, where? Here I am, how do you do? Iska, please here. Sister finger, how? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, here I am, how do you do? Okay. This is father finger, mother finger, and then brother finger, and this is, what is it? Sister. That's great. This is sister finger, and for the last is baby finger. So that's good. Good job for you all. Okay, after we singing a song about family fingers, and we also introduced about the member of family fingers. Now I want you to tell me about the member of family based on these family fingers. So Abu, can you tell me the member of family? Okay, please tell me. For the first is? Yes, father. And then for the second is? Mother. Yes, that's great. And then for the third is? Yeah, brother. And then for the next is? Sister. That's great. And for the last is? Yeah, good luck for you, Abu. So, the member of family contain of father, mother, brother, sister, and then a baby. That's great. Give applause for us. Okay, I think that's all from me about how to teaching for young learner using finger puppet, and I hope this is useful for you, and I say so sorry if I have many mistakes. And last I say